Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I am showing you exactly how to access Claude AI for free in 2026. While Anthropic's Artisan AI is known for its premium reasoning and coding skills, there are actually 5 fantastic ways to use its latest models without paying a subscription fee, so let's get right into the breakdown. First, you should start with the official Claude AI platform for the most direct experience. You can sign up at Claude AI or download the app on iOS and Android. In 2026, the free tier grants you access to the flagship Claude 3.5 Sonnet model and the brilliant Artifacts UI, which allows you to view and edit code or documents in a side-by-side window. Just keep in mind that there is a daily message cap. Once you hit it, you'll need to wait a few hours for your limit to reset. Next, you can try DuckDuckGo AI Chat if you want a completely private experience. Simply go to duckduckgo.com and select AI Chat. In 2026, you can choose Claude 3 Haiku from the model dropdown. The best part? It is entirely anonymous. Your conversations are never used to train the AI, and you don't even need an account to start chatting, making it the perfect choice for quick, secure queries. Then, you should check out poe.com if you want a multi-bot backup. Created by Quora, Poe uses a compute points system that refreshes every single day. You can spend these points to talk to various versions of Claude, including Claude 3.5 Sonnet and even the high-reasoning Claude 3 Opus. This is a lifesaver if you've already hit your daily limit on the main Anthropic site but still have work to finish. For those of you focused on research, Perplexity AI is an incredible free gateway. While you can't always manually toggle the specific Claude model on the free tier at Perplexity AI, the system's Pro Discovery mode frequently leverages Claude 3 logic to synthesize its web search results. It's perfect for getting high-quality, cited answers that use Claude's nuanced understanding of C.